Why Do Bees Buzz? Written by Nabhanita Desmond. Illustrated by Zainat Tabawala. Read by Aisha Aurel Adelia Putri. Hey, what's all that bees about? Is this a code word used by bees to call their friends, or a hum of excitement when honey is spotted? Bees, particularly bumblebees, make a loud buzzing sound as they fly. The sound is made when the wings beat up and down. The smaller the wings, the faster the bees have to beat them in order to fly, and the quicker they beat, the louder the buzz. Bees, bees also buzz to do something very useful. They carry pollen from one flower to the other like a postman delivering letters. Pollen is powdery grain on flowers. Pollen helps plants to make seeds. Bees are excellent pollinators. Thanks to them, many new plants grow and sprout out around. How do those tiny grains of pollen stick to the bee's feet? When bees sit on a flower to suck honey, the grains of pollen stick to their feet and bodies. Then, when the same bees buzz near a flower and perform a lively dance, the quivering shakes the pollen on other flowers. The bees then fly to other flowers where they leave the pollen behind to pick up new ones, and this process continues. Bees are the buzzing godfather of many new plants that grow away from the parent tree. Can you hear your own breath? Usually not, but you can hear a bee breathing. This is because the buzz is also the sound of the bee breathing. It has a small, segmented body, so where it breathes, the air gets on a roller coaster ride through all the bumpy parts inside and creates a buzz. Sounds pretty exciting, doesn't it? Aren't those buzzy? Bees are truly amazing. Did you know? 1. Bees are hard workers. In winter, they can live up to 9 months, and in summer, only up to 2 months. All work and no play does not make them dull. 2. A curious case of the bees is that when they do the work of a younger bee, their brains stop aging. It starts working like a younger bee's brain. Do you know which you were? A bee? 3. Bees recognize face just like human beings do. Each part of the face is first taken separately, then put together to make up the face. Remember not to injure a bee. 4. Caffeine, a chemical used by plants to keep away harmful insects. Help bees remember the location of the flower. It welcomes the bees for a second visit. 5. Bumblebees are larger than the honeybees and other type of bees. They live in hives and love socialize. Many bees do not have a sting. They may not produce much honey but are excellent pollinators. Be a bee. 1. A honeybee performs a dance that tells the rest of the hive where to find nectar. Now try to express some information through dance move and see if your friends are able to understand what you are communicating. 2. Try try buzzing like a bee. Flap your arms and see if you can hear a buzz. 3. A honeycomb. The house of the bees is known to be a masterpiece of engineering. Why do you think? Try and draw perfect hexagons as in a honeycomb, or make models using ordinary cartons. Maybe you'll guess that as for them. 4. Try to carefully smell different flowers. You could then imagine how honey made from the nectar of different flowers can also taste different.